Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Deal or no deal boils down to what PM Boris Johnson wants. Analysis http ntvforex.com News ID 6B7C93 8/28/2025 30:49 am. Next round of negotiations begins on September 7. Brexit negotiations have continued over the summer, and last week the negotiations ended without any major breakthrough. NBSP We were simply still too far away from the expiry of the transition period for the politicians, in particular in the UK, to feel the pressure. The points of contention are well known: fishing, financial services, and level playing field conditions, among other things. Taxes, state aid, worker rights and environmental standards. See more on page 3. Whether or not there will be a deal this year boils down to whether one believes Prime Minister Boris Johnson wants one or not. We are in the camp that believes he wants one, but that he needs more time off the clock. This was exactly what happened during the negotiations on the withdrawal agreement, which also seemed stuck until PM Johnson met with the then Irish PM Leo Varadkar. Despite the hardliners within the Conservative Party, PM Johnson is still in full control of the majority in the House of Commons, and they cannot block him. However, despite things playing out as expected, we have lowered our probability of a deal from 65% to 60%. The reason is that the small probability of a deal over the summer did not happen. The probability of a comprehensive deal is slim 5%, and we expect a simple free trade agreement covering goods 55%. CRA Game Tree Overleaf. We now believe the probability of a no-deal Brexit is 40%, up from 35%. As the UK has rejected extending the transition period, the EU and the UK will trade on WTO terms on January 1, 2021 in the event of no deal. This also means that, in our view, businesses should continue preparing for the worst. The next round of negotiations begins on September 7, and negotiating rounds are scheduled until October 2, ahead of the EU summit on 15 October 16. Where the hope is that EU leaders can say yes to an agreement. However, we believe that the two parts may need some overtime, and that an agreement is more likely in early November. EU leaders can always schedule an extraordinary EU summit. The EU's chief negotiator Michel Barnier has also hinted that the two sides may need to negotiate throughout October. Barnier says that a deal must be agreed around October 31 to have enough time for ratification. For now, we believe Euro GBP will continue to trade around 0.90, as it has done for some time now. If negotiations are on the brink of breaking down, we could see Euro GBP moving higher to around 0.92. As our base case is unchanged, we believe GBP strength is on the cards, when a deal is in sight, and forecast Euro GBP is 0.88 in 3M and 0.86 in 612M. If we are wrong and there is no deal, we believe Euro GBP will move significantly higher but stay below parity. We pencil in Euro GBP at 0.97 in this scenario. Download the full Brexit Monitor. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.